Hey everybody. I know I ain't been on here in a long time. Well, that light's putting off a lot of glare in it. So that right there. But anyhow, I got a day off from work today, so... Oh yeah, I was cooking breakfast this morning. Pulled the battery out. I gotta remember to put that back in. As I was saying, I got a day off from work today, so... I need to clean this little place up. As you can see, getting a little junked up. Go throw my trash away here in a little bit. I need to clean it up. But I only got one day off this week, so I think I'm gonna get out and just roam around. I'm not really gonna do nothing spectacular. I just want to get it away from here. I've been here all week. Work all day, then come back here. I can clean this up. It's not really dirty. It's just I need to put things away. So I think today I'm gonna get out. I want to clean on my truck a little bit. I think I'm gonna go down to the lake and just get away from the park, sit around and clean on my truck. So I'm gonna pause this, and then when I find me a spot to go, I'll bring you back. Here we're just passing through this little town I'm staying in. It's kind of a vacation area, resort area. Some of you may know it. There's really not a whole lot here as far as like everyday life. Like I said, it's more of a vacation resort area, but it's a nice little town. I really enjoy it. We'll probably come back here again. I don't know if you hear my shock squeaking. I gotta put a shock on my truck. Actually, I'm gonna replace them all, but I got one squeaking, about to drive me insane. Anyhow, I'm gonna go find me a shady place, go work on my truck here, and I'll be back. Well, I made it to my little area. I like to come here because it's got plenty of shade. As you can see, right on the lake. And the peak, I guess what you call it, vacation time has died down. School's starting back, people's gotta go back to work. There's still plenty of visitors in this area, but it's not, normally this area right here would be packed this time of the morning. But I came here because it's supposed to be like 94 degrees a day. It's already 100% humidity, and it's a good spot. It really gets you over by the edge of the water where you see. Right down there, if you look, is the actual, this is a day use area. Right near that tree line, that's the actual picnic area, right in there. But I always walk down the shoreline, it's kind of like, I don't know, kind of like being on an island or something. It's really not like walking down here. If you look way over the horizon, I don't know if I can zoom that far. If I can even hold it still. Right there is a dam. Right about there is where I always go and hang out sometimes on rainy days. Remember I said I like to people watch? It's like right over there. And I know this thing's shaky. But yeah, let me zoom it back because I can't hold it still. And then you got all on that shoreline over there. There's all homes, rich people. You see, that's where all the rich people live. Must be nice. But anyway, all of them down that shoreline. Then you got the commercial traffic. This lake is heavily used. It's got lots of traffic on it. Pleasure boaters. Then you got the commercial traffic here. I can't hardly hold it still, but yeah, old Marquette. I know that company well. Actually used to work for them about 20 years ago. I used to be a river rat. A lot of people didn't know that, but I didn't always drive a truck. I was a river rat there for a little while. But yeah, the season's dying down. As you noticed, this is a weekend and there's like absolutely no pleasure boats out there. I mean, there's a few way on the other shoreline. But them are your local folks. They're out fishing. You got commercial fishermen out here. But all your vacationers, they're about gone. You know, like I said, it's that time of year. School's fixing to start back. People got to go back to work. So it gets pretty nice around here about this time of year. I mean, I don't want to sound greedy, but you know, this place gets packed. Even though it's small town Kentucky, this place gets packed. If you ever been to Daytona Beach or, you know, someplace like that, this place here gets the same way. You can't even drive down the street. It's just unreal how many people come in this little town. But now it's getting back to normal. You can actually drive down the road without having to stop 50 times. And I know that sounds bad. That sounds greedy of me, but you know, I'm not a real big people person, so large crowds kind of bother me. So I like to get off in places like this by myself. Which this spot I'm in right now, it will get a little busy today. This is a popular swimming hole. People like to come here and swim. The water's shallow. Oh, you can probably go from the shoreline. You can probably go out about 50 feet, 75 feet and still stand up and not be over your head. So it's pretty popular, you know, like little kids and stuff. But yeah, I'm sitting there watching this boat getting sidetracked. A lot of people call them barges. That rusty old chunk of steel you see there, and that gray thing, that is a barge. That boat pushing it, a lot of people call them barges. That's called a line boat. It's not a tugboat, it's a line boat. A tugboat is just what the name implies. It pulls them barges or tugs it. People get that confused all the time. Not that it matters, I mean, just a little piece of useless information for you. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hang out here today. I'm gonna work on my truck. Well, I say work on my truck. I'm not gonna do actual mechanical work to it. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. Painting my wheels. I'm looking for fossils. I gotta quit getting distracted. But yeah, I'm gonna work on my truck a little bit, paint my wheels. I got a spider web hanging from me, I can see it. Paint the letters on my wheels, not my actual wheels. Letters on my tires. I'll get right in a minute. Yeah, it's a pretty nice spot. I've come here quite often. When I'm in this area, which I'm in this area quite a bit. I was here last summer. I just like it. It's you know, a lot of summer activities to do here by this huge lake with 2 rivers. Yeah, there's a whole lot to do, and I just like coming here. But I'm gonna close this, get back over to my truck, probably do some walking, look for some fossils, which I'm doing that right now instead of paying attention to you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna get back on my truck, get some of my supplies out, and start working on my wheels before it gets too hot. I'm in the shade, but it's still, the humidity's over 100%. Feeling a little sweaty right now, so yeah, let me do that. I'll be back. What I'm gonna attempt to do here, when I'm talking about working on my truck, I'm gonna paint these letters. So what I got, just go to the craft section in any store. I go to Walmart. This is glossy enamel paint. Get you that. And you can get you a pack of these little, just old cheap brushes, little kids craft brushes. But they work great. They got the nylon bristles. And for this particular project, they work awesome for this. So what I'm gonna do, I just realized my camera battery's getting low, so make this quick. Just take some of this paint. First, shake it up real good. Squeeze me a little bit out on here. Not a whole lot, because it'll dry on you real quick. Take my little brush. Just get a little bit on each side of it. I'll just show you right here. Oop. It's gonna be hard to do because I'm kind of in my own way. I know the camera's a little shaky, but I'm focusing more on the paint than I am anything. But yeah, essentially you just brush it on and brighten it up. So let me pause this and put my camera on charger. And I'll see if I can get some of this done. Then I'll show you some of the end results. Well, got carried away while I was letting my camera charge. I lost track of time. I've got this side done, front and back tire. You see how it kind of brightened it up? Don't have that old dull look no more. That makes it a whole lot better, which I'm gonna blacken the tire too. That'll really make it pop, stand out. But anyway, I'm gonna jump over and do the driver's side now, get it done. Well, folks, I had to get out of there. Getting a little rowdy. People starting to show up. When I got there was like one car, I think two cars. It's been about 2 hours, and I don't think there's another room for a car down there. I mean, it's totally packed, which is pretty common for that area. Like I said, it's a popular swimming area for the locals, and a couple of tourists that look like out of state, people was there, which is no big deal. Not saying nobody's allowed to use it because I was there. Not saying that at all. Just I'm not a real big people person, big crowd type of guy, so it was getting a little too rowdy for me. But anyway, I got my wheels painted. Kind of got going in the rhythm there. I don't know if I showed y'all or not. My battery was low on my camera, so I plugged it up in here, letting it charge, and I kind of got in the rhythm on painting them letters. And before I knew it, I was done. So, but it's kind of boring, so you didn't really miss nothing on that part. I'm glad I got it done. My truck looks a lot better. But I think I'm gonna head back to the RV, get some lunch. It's already getting super hot. I don't know what the temperature is just right yet. I haven't looked, but I know it's warm because I'm burning up. I'm ready to get back. So yeah, I'm gonna pause this, and when I get back to the RV, I'll tell everybody goodbye, or however you want to say it. Not necessarily goodbye, but goodbye for now, I guess. Kind of looking. You gotta watch that little crossroad right there. These old backwood hillbillies. Here comes one here. I was fixing to say fly down these roads. Man, I gotta get this squeaky shock fixed. Driving me nuts. But yeah, like I was gonna say, they fly down these roads, and that little crossroad right there, they don't stop. They just dang near jump it when they come across it. So I always slow down and look. It's a little skinny road. My truck takes up almost the whole road anyway. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy the ride out of here. Kind of go slow and just enjoy the scenery. When I get back to the RV, I'll get back on here. Well, I'm back at the RV. This air conditioner feels awesome. I got it. I can barely see it. I don't have my contacts in. It's about 62 degrees in here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Will it focus? Well, if you can't see it, that's right about 62, 63. Just a little meat thermometer. I leave it over by the bed, and yeah, it's pretty cold in there. That's how I like to keep it. The little air conditioner, if you can see it back there, just a little window unit right there. It had one in the ceiling, and that's what that little square is. I had a lot of trouble with leaks and everything, so I took it out, put that 8,000 BTU right there in the back window, and it does an awesome job. I mean, it makes it like a refrigerator in here. Now this thermometer was back there by the, well, I say back there, like this is a big mansion. It was right over there by the air conditioner. I just leave it laying on the bed. Man, I need to put my contacts in. Over here by the dinette, the front half of the camper, it's gone up to about 60, I'd call that 64, 65. But that's still, I mean, I checked the weather on the way home, 94 degrees right now with 100% humidity. And I've got this camper down to 65. That's alright, man, I like that. Actually got a little chill. It won't feel so cold here in just, couple minutes after I get adjusted to it. But after walking in out of that super heat into here, it's kind of a little chilly in here. But anyhow, I'm gonna end this video right here because you know me, I'll start rambling in circles about nothing. So I think the rest of the day, I'm gonna fix me some lunch because I'm starving. I gotta clean this little place up. I've worked all week. You know, I get up early. I get up about 4 o'clock, get ready for work, go. And after being in this heat all day, when I get back, I just take a shower, lounge around. I don't do nothing, so it's kind of gotten junked up in here. It's not so much dirty as it is junked up. And most of y'all that RV full time or live in an RV or a van or whatever, you understand what I mean. If you don't put everything in its place, it is in one day it just gets so cluttered you can't find nothing. And that's what I've let it happen around here. I just keep setting things on my little table instead of putting it up where it belongs. And this other side, this little dinette on the other side, that has become a storage area. I just been putting stuff there. So yeah, I'm gonna spend the rest of the day cleaning it up in here. I need to sweep out my floor. It's getting a little dusty, dirty. We'll just call it dirty. That's what it is. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hope y'all have a great day. Say hello to all my friends and subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you next time. God bless you.